How to import browser data from Chrome to Opera GX. For this, go ahead and check for the latest version of Opera GX first and foremost. You can easily find it in opera.com. If you do not have the latest version, make sure to go ahead and download the latest version of Opera GX. Now once it is installed, just go ahead and open your Opera GX. Now right here at the very top, you should find a settings icon next to your profile icon. So you have to go ahead and tap on it. From all of these options, you have to scroll down to the very end until you see the option of go to full browser settings. So go ahead and tap on it. In here in the search bar, go ahead and search for import. Now again, you have to scroll at the bottom to find the option of synchronization. Then tap on import bookmarks and setting. From here, you can easily select the option of browsing history or any that you prefer. At the top, you will find some of the browsers that you can select from. Here it is Microsoft Edge. For the sake of the video, I'll be selecting Chrome. Then just tap on import. Once you do this, you will easily be able to import your browser data from Chrome to Opera GX. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.